Hello everyone, friends. On the Weller channel, today I'll show you what to do if your Android phone isn't charging. So first, of course, check the power adapter cable, and if you have a tester, verify if it's actually charging. If it charges fine, then great. Next, check the charging port. Shine a flashlight to see if there's any dirt, and also check if the connector itself is working properly. Right, even if there are no visible external defects. If that doesn't help, but you're sure everything works, then you might just need to restart your phone. Hold the power button and press Restart. After that, try charging again. Yes, by the way, some phones block charging if moisture gets into the connector, like iPhones, for example. Android phones might have this feature too. In that case, just wait for the port to dry out. This was Weller with you. Goodbye, everyone.